Hi, this is Mary. I'd like to show you this 2022 Arctic Fox. It's a 25Y. It's a great floor plan. Lots of people like this, very popular. So let's look inside. So here we are inside. As you can see, you come into the reclining swivel chairs. They're very comfortable. Then you've got extra counter space that goes all the way around here. Love the way this kitchen is laid out. Double sink with a swivel faucet. This is really nice colors in here too. And you have your very comfortable booth. If you've ever sat in an Arctic Fox booth, you know that these are a lot more comfortable than others. Then you've got your little fireplace here, your TV, and lots of shelving. If you look around, lots of shelving in here. And then as we come back this way, you've got what's called the split bath. So your shower's here, your toilet is in there, and then you've got your vanity out here. Inside there. Lots of cabinet space also on both sides of the walk-around queen-size bed. And then in this back area here, we have a door. So you've got two entrances to this unit. So please come on out to Junction City. Look at this unit with me. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. Hope to see you soon.